Hi everyone, my name is Shishir Nigam. I'm with the Maker's Chest. Very excited here to be here at the headquarters of Full Spectrum Laser in Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm here with Walker McKay, who is the laser wizard at Full Spectrum Laser. We're going to talk today about the PS24, which is one of their flagship commercial machines here. Walker, why don't you walk us through it?
So we have a 24 by 18 inch work area, full pass through. So if your material is larger than the actual work area, you can pass that right through. Very solid gantry system. You can swap out lenses for different applications.
Yeah.
Automatic Z table. Z height's important for this guy. You have about 8.5 inches of work area. So if you have a thick like memorial stone that you're engraving, or you're doing rotary attachment stuff, that's important to have that height because some of those tumbler cups are real big.
Yeah.
So that's really it when it comes to that. We have a 75 watt up to a 100 watt, I believe, on this guy. So you have your options when it comes to the wattage and how much, like really when it comes to wattage, it's how fast you want to cut. And how thick you want to cut is more determined by the lens swap.
Right. And I think this is the special feature about this is that despite its size, it still fits through a normal door. So that's the big thing about the power of this machine. And given its size, it's on wheels, you can still get through a normal doorway without any issues. So if you have any questions on the PS24, you know where to find us.